I'm Seth here at USL. Now that we've installed our CMS and gone to the Systems tab and set up our system for communication with all of the parts of our theater, we will go to the Content tab and ingest content. The Content tab is used for managing the content on the internal drives of the CMS and managing ingests from other sources. The left-hand side shows the external sources, the external content being connected directly to the CMS, the network content for FTP servers over the network, and the transfer status page will show when we have a transfer in progress, how far along it's come, and other statistics about the transfer. On the right-hand side, we have the internal content for our CMS drive. And this shows all the clips available on our CMS currently. The left-hand side shows an icon indicating the status of each clip. A green button means that the clip is good to play. A yellow lock icon means that the clip is encrypted and a KDM for decrypting it is not on the drive. Further down our list, we have a red circle for a clip that is incomplete or damaged and unplayable. And finally, we have an unlock clip icon for a clip that is encrypted and a KDM for playing it back is present on the drive. At the bottom, we have the refresh, which will refresh the contents of the page, loading back up the listing from the hard drive, the delete button for deleting a content piece, a clip, or any licenses that you view, and the properties page, which shows the properties for the selected clip. Here we see the information for the clip I had selected, as well as a tab for the licenses currently used for decrypting that clip. Use the buttons at the bottom to go back and forth between the different clips, or select them individually and press the Properties button. Each of these pages is a draggable window, mobile optimized, so it's click and drag for scrolling up and down. It can be filtered by the type of clip using the buttons at the top, or the licenses available. Each of the columns for the different data types shown can be used to sort the clips to make it easier to find a clip in the listing. At the bottom, we have the filter input, which allows you to type in a filter which will clear all the other contents out of the viewable area. Both of the external and the internal data grids have the same functionality, and the external one will show any content that you have connected via USB or eSATA to the front of the CMS. We've attached the USB drive next to the cable for our tablet on the front of the CMS, and we've turned the CRU on. We'll press the refresh button, and the contents of the drive show up in the external content pane. Go through this list and find the clip that you want to ingest, select it, and click the right arrow button to transfer it to the CMS's internal drives. Once the transfer is started, we move to the transfer page automatically, and this page shows all of the currently in progress transfers, or the ones from the recent history, and the transfer status of the currently in progress transfer. You can see the percentage is advancing as the clip transfers. If we wish, we can select the clip and cancel it via the button at the bottom. The X button will clear all of the finished transfers from this list, and the refresh button will manually refresh the page if needed. This clip is in progress for its transfer, and when it finishes, we'll move to the Builder tab and create a playlist for playing back this show.